So in this homework problem, we're asked to think about our ability to round and applying that to these problems. So what you want to have your student do is first read the problem and figure out, number one, what the numbers are and then what the question's asking. I encourage you to have them underlined. So if the first problem says at President Obama's inauguration in 2013, the newspaper headline stated that there were about 800,000 people in attendance. If the newspaper rounded to the nearest 100,000, what is the largest number and the smallest number of people that could have been there? So when we think about 800,000 and rounding, we know that 800,000 could either be at the top of a vertical number line or a bottom of a vertical number line. So I'm going to draw both vertical number lines, and then thinking about if it's the top of the vertical number line, if we're counting by 100,000s, the bottom of this number line would be 700,000. And then on this one, if 800,000 is the bottom, the next 100,000 would be 900,000. And we know in both of these cases, we can round to 800,000. So if our halfway point here, we know we start rounding up there. And what is that point? Do you remember? Halfway would be 750,000. So once I hit this number, everything above it is going to round up. So that would tell me that this is the lowest number, the smallest number of people who could have attended if I'm rounding to 800,000. And then here is my second number line, and I know that the rule is anything below is going to come back here. So the cutoff is 850,000. So the number right below that I know then must be my highest number. So the number right below that would be 849,999. And that would be the most people that we would say were there if we were rounding down to 800,000. But in this case, the smallest number would be 750,000 because that's the number when I start to round up to 800,000. So I hope that helps you understand what this question is asking, and then thinking about applying that vertical number line, and maybe watching that video is helpful. Thanks.